our project was the Equine Fetlock replacement. Maddie could talk more about it.
Yes, so it aims to get rid of arthritis within the fetlock joint of horses and extend their life because there are no current treatments that focus on anything but pain management. And with the lifespan of a horse being 30 years, it's not feasible. So we have come up with a method to extend their capabilities.
And the design for the joint is for this scale limited to planar motion. It doesn't do the minor motion that the joint might exhibit, but it's definitely focusing on the main movement of it, like what would be a knee for a human.
It's 2D.
Yes, but we did do force measurements. We looked up a lot of research documents. We were able to find data on what regular forces would be on a horse. So we ended up using the maximum conditions for regular use. And we did FEA analysis to figure out a design that would actually be able to tolerate those forces.
There's also a cartilage aspect.
Yeah, and then additionally to there's kind of like a three-part product. There's two titanium elements that attach to each of the bones. Then in between there's a polymer part that acts as your cartilage. And we took it a step further from what currently exists of just a hard plastic part and kind of cut it in half and put a soft viscoelastic material in there that absorbs some of the impact of the joint, because especially in horses they're very heavy and they put a lot of force onto those joints, and so we need to absorb some of that shock to reduce pain.
Yeah, the force is around 10,000 newtons, so it's pretty hefty.
So the mechanical engineering department last in the list, but of course far from the worst, the best. The honorable mention goes to the project which, in my memory, the first ever project we have on the veterinarian theme. And this is the equine deadstock joint replacement. And the students are Jason Barba, Maddie, Hastie, Carlos Hernandez, Nick Randall, and Jeff Smith.
Yeah, we were definitely stressing yesterday, and to have us then win, I think it's like really a breath of fresh air for all of us.
Between 2 weeks of 100-hour work week, the last two bits, and very surprised, but very relieved that this is where we've come.
Yes.